So some of the things that we're seeing around innovation and what customers need from us in the future definitely has to do with some of the applications getting more complex, needing more compute power, needing more complicated components that can extract data for applications like AI and just even tracking adoption of the kiosks. We're seeing some interesting things in that area. And we've done a good job, I think, of really keeping up with those demands. In addition, from a service and support perspective, customers are really needing more from their kiosk provider around the service wrapper that goes with the kiosk. So how do we support a fleet that might be deployed throughout the US or even globally? And so we have made a lot of changes to our business to be able to meet those requirements for customers.
At new components or materials, we evaluate based on a few different criteria. We're looking at the quality of the product, the price of the product, customer service, and on-time delivery. With KIOSK, because we are a custom manufacturer, we apply these criteria to different product categories. So the first product category that we look at are standard or off-the-shelf components. With these components, because they're going to be the same no matter who we buy them from, pricing and availability are the biggest factors. Within that category, we're also looking for vendors that offer us favorable payment terms and have the ability to support blanket POs. Both of those things help us manage our cash flow a little bit more efficiently. The second category of products that we look at would be custom made to order parts. So with those parts, we get a list of technical and functional requirements that we're not going to settle for anything less than that, no matter what. So once we get to that point, we're comparing apples to apples. And again, we default back to pricing and availability as our leading criteria. The last thing that we really look at more these days would be supplier location. That's not only for long distance freight, but also because of the changing tariff implications. So we're looking for vendors that are either domestic or tariff friendly. So in short, we stay flexible so that we can make the best decisions for each unique project while keeping everything running smoothly and efficiently.
One of the new exciting trends in self-serve kiosk development is AI processing. AI processing will allow the kiosk to analyze the user's behavior and dynamically change menus, offer different language options, and also provide user assistance without the customer even asking for it, thus providing a better customer experience. The second trend is on the support side. And at KIOSK, we're actually working on a product called AI Watchdog. AI Watchdog proactively analyzes networks, VPNs, the kiosk hardware, and determines trends and then analyzes all kinds of data to determine if there are going to be software crashes, network issues, or hardware issues, and proactively fixes those or provides guidance to support teams on how to fix it. AI is an exciting revolution in the self-service kiosk industry, and it's going to usher in a whole new generation of smart kiosks.
Mm-hmm.